Who is this Chad police officer that keeps his body cam turned off? The internet is calling him the Unknown Sergeant, aka Cassius Thundercock. And he's become the face of memes about police brutality thanks to his unique look and threatening aura. But where did he come from? Back in November 2024, Tennessee faced off against Mississippi State in a college football game. Tennessee took the win with a score of 33-14, resulting in a massive celebration. As the game ended, a group of people walked onto the field to congratulate the team, including a Tennessee State trooper with a prominent jawline, a hat pulled over his face, and thick-rimmed glasses. While the identity of the trooper is unknown, images of him quickly spread online thanks to accounts like Old Row Sports, who gained over 115,000 likes on a post comparing the trooper to Giga Chad, another popular meme character often represented as the ultimate example of masculinity. Images of the officer continued to spread over the course of 2025, becoming notably popular on TikTok that August. On the app, people began using the photo to represent a cartoonishly corrupt police officer, thanks to his Chad-like features and his menacing aura. One early meme jokes that the trooper never turns his body cam on, a joke that has become inseparable from the image of the officer. The joke is that the trooper turns his body cam off to perform acts of police brutality and corruption without recording any evidence of his crimes.
Do you have any relationship with your
body cam?
What's that? What's a
Body cam.
As the meme spread between August and November 2025, the jokes about police brutality stuck with the character and became more elaborate, with some joking that the trooper hasn't turned his body cam on since the Vietnam War. Others describe detailed incidents where unfortunate victims have run-ins with Cassius and other ridiculous cops, presented through funny edits and photos of police or people who look like police. The unknown trooper has now become the subject of a cosplay trend, where people dress up to resemble him as accurately as possible. The cosplays often feature people with big, pulled-down hats, thick glasses, and forcefully protruding chins, accompanied with funny captions about the refusal to use a body cam. In just a short few months, the officer has become one of the biggest meme characters on short-form video apps in 2025, offering users a new way to make fun of police and highlight the issue of police brutality in a tongue-in-cheek way.